Washing the car, a simple guide to everyday English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, washing the car. This might seem straightforward, but there's a lot to unpack here, especially for those learning English. So, let's get started. Washing the car refers to the act of cleaning a car's exterior. It involves using water, soap, and often a sponge or cloth to remove dirt and grime. This phrase is a great example of how English often uses the ing form of a verb, washing, to describe an ongoing action. In many English-speaking countries, washing the car is seen as a routine task or even a weekend activity. It's common for families or individuals to wash their cars at home, but there are also professional car wash services. This task is often associated with taking care of one's possessions and is sometimes seen as a therapeutic or enjoyable activity. In different regions, you might hear variations like cleaning the car or giving the car a wash. All these phrases mean the same thing. It's important to recognize these variations to enhance your understanding of English as spoken in different areas. Let's look at how to use this phrase in a sentence. I'm washing the car this weekend. Do you want to help me wash the car? My car really needs a wash. There are other related phrases and idioms, such as to clean up nicely, meaning something or someone looks good after being cleaned. Or, it's like washing your car before a rainstorm, referring to a futile or pointless action. And that's a wrap on washing the car. I hope this has been enlightening and adds to your English language learning journey. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using this phrase in your daily conversations. See you in the next video.